I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by removing power and batteries, safety first. Once done, unscrew the bottom and pry open the housing where the load cell sits. You want to locate the load cell, the ribbon or wire connector, and the main PCB immediately. Make sure to note any burn traces, loose screws, or corrosion. These are common failure points. You will need a small Phillips, tweezers, and magnifier to proceed. Have them ready, and keep screws organized as you work. You now test components. Use a multimeter to check the load cell bridge resistance and continuity across connectors. If readings deviate widely from expected values, suspect a cracked solder joint or failed bridge. Carefully reflow suspicious joints with a fine-tip soldering iron. Replace damaged flex cables or connectors. Once soldering is done, clean corrosion with isopropyl alcohol and a soft brush. Let dry fully. Make sure to avoid overheating the load cell. You want solid electrical contact without deforming sensors. You finish by reassembling the scale, restoring batteries, and performing calibration per the device method. Follow the steps to zero and span with known masses. Once calibrated, verify accuracy at multiple points. Use 50 grams, 100 grams, and 500 grams so you know linearity is correct. If readings drift or remain off, make sure wiring and ground are secure and repeat solder repairs. As a last resort, replace the ADC or the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.